So friends, ABCD is a right triangle right angled at B. AB is equals to 40 cm and BC is equals to 30 cm. Points D, E, F and G divide the hypotenuse into 5 equal parts. H is the midpoint of AB. The challenge is to find the collective area of the shaded region. So, we'll start by joining BE and HD. Now, we know that AD, DE, EG, GF and GC are all equal to each other and AH is equals to HB. So, let's mark them as equals. Now, let's rotate the diagram such that the hypotenuse becomes the base of the triangle. Now, the area of the triangle is half times 30 times 40, which gives 600 centimeter square. Now, CE is equals to 3/5 of AC. So, area of triangle BCE is equals to 3/5 of area of triangle ABC, which gives 360 centimeter square. Similarly, ED is equals to DA is equals to 1/5 of AC. Therefore, area of triangle EDB is equals to area of triangle DAB is equals to 1/5 of area of triangle ABC. So, area of triangle EDB becomes 120 centimeter square. Now, let's mark the point of intersection of BD and HE as I. So, if we focus on triangle BEA, H and D are the midpoints of side EA and AB respectively. So, by midpoint theorem, HD is half of BE and HD is parallel to BE. Now, triangle HID and triangle EIB are similar as vertical angles are equal and alternate angles are equal as lines HD and BE are parallel. Now, as we know that the ratio of the areas of the similar triangle is equal to the square of the ratios of their corresponding sides, therefore HD upon BE the whole square gives area of triangle HDI upon area of triangle BIE. Therefore, 1 upon 4 is equals to area of triangle HDI upon area of triangle BIE. So, let the area of triangle BIE be 4x, so the area of triangle HDI becomes x. Also, area of triangle BED is equals to area of triangle BEH, as they have same base and they lie between the same parallels. Now, from both the triangles, if we subtract the area of triangle BIE, we get that area of triangle BHI is equals to area of triangle EDI. So, let the area of the triangle BHI be equal to Z. So, the area of triangle EDI also equals to Z. Now, we know that area of triangle EDB is equals to 120 centimeter square. Now, the area of triangle EDB can be written as area of triangle BEI plus area of triangle EDI, which gives 4x plus Z. Therefore, 4x plus Z is equals to 120. Now, triangle AHD is similar to triangle ABE as they both have common angle A and the corresponding angles are equal as lines HD and BE are parallel. As again, the ratio of their area will be equal to DH upon BE the whole square, which gives 1 upon 4. This means that triangle AHD covers 1/4 of the area of triangle ABE, which again means that quadrilateral BHDE covers 3/4 of the area of triangle ABE. Area of quadrilateral BHDE can be written as 4x plus x plus z plus z, which gives 3/4 of the area of triangle ABE. Now, area of triangle ABE is equals to 2/5 of the area of triangle ABC. Therefore, 5x plus z gives 3/4 of area of triangle ABE, which is 240 centimeter square. Therefore, 5x plus 2z gives 180. Now, we have two equations. First is 5x plus 2z is equals to 180 and the second one 4x plus z is equals to 120. Solving the equation, we get z is equals to 40 and therefore 2z is equals to 80 centimeter square, and that's the area of the shaded region.